First and foremost, let me welcome our delegates, our experts, Lawyers Without Borders, led by Justice Williams. Justice Williams is well known in Africa. She has been conducting trial advocacy in a number of African countries, notably Kenya. And they have even an office in Kenya. When I visited Kenya last year, I met Lillian, who is working for Lawyers Without Borders. I'm happy to see you, Judge, with your fellow judges, prosecutors, and defense lawyers. They are among us. We are fortunate, prosecutors of Namibia, to have such a huge number of experts. It is now our challenge to ensure that what we are learning here is put to good use. Judge, with your delegation, you are welcome to Namibia. Some of you, it might be for the first time you are visiting Namibia. Please feel free in this land of the brave. We welcome you. We are ready to share experiences with you and learn. This trial advocacy is dedicated to deal with gender-based violence. But as prosecutors, we all know that when you know the techniques, because what you are going to learn within these 5 days, it's techniques, how you can present the evidence before court, and how you can lead your witnesses proper and cross-examine the accused persons. I therefore want you, colleagues, to follow and to ensure that whatever you are learning and what you are giving, and also through the process when you are learning, you take stock. Where do I do wrong? We all know that gender-based violence is on increase, not only in Namibia, but worldwide. But in Namibia, given the population of Namibia, I could see that ours is uncontrollable. We want to deal with gender-based violence effectively. And that can only be realized if we have the expertise and the knowledge, the arts, the skills, how to deal with it in a court of law. Therefore, I'm happy to see that the training which has been postponed, and I know you prosecutors, you have been crying, saying, why are we not being equipped with the skills of trial advocacy? PG requires to do miracles, but she is not providing us with the training. They are here. And to our judges and prosecutors and lawyers in other fields, please, the outcome of this training, the feedback which I will get from the participants, I will still want to engage you. As you could see, we have a young prosecution team which requires expertise. And as a lawyer, you can only do good if you have the skills. And they ask to present the state case. And therefore, don't get tired that no, we are no more going back to Namibia. Please, when we seek your assistance, accept it with open hands. Because I have 2 young prosecutors and you who require the experts in presenting the state case. Therefore, colleagues, I want you to be in attendance. Mr. Brem, you are my eyes here. You should have an attendance register. I want to tell you something, colleagues. This workshop or the training has been made possible by UNODC. UNODC is not a government. The UN have no state. The UN get funding from loving countries. People in those countries providing their money to assist the needy, including us. I just want to remind you that it's not easy to part with your money. I know the sentiments expressed by Namibian people when they were called upon to donate 2% once of their salary to assist the drought we are experiencing in this country. And it went wild on social media. People don't want to contribute. But look at other countries, making it possible for us to learn. I just want you to have that in mind, that I don't want you to waste resources by not attending. I hope everybody is here. Attend. Be in participation. It's for your benefit and the benefit of your country. I don't want to waste much time, but I want those who are going to get certificated at the end of the day, judge, they qualify to receive that. Those who are not learning, they shouldn't get certificates. We will award certificates to those who are going to demonstrate that, yes, they acquire knowledge. That's why we are paying for these proceedings to be recorded, so that at least in future, we know, also for us who are not here, to know where you are doing mistakes. Therefore, take this challenge this training as a challenge to all of us. And then you take knowledge with you and impart upon all your fellow colleagues who are not here today. I thank you. You have traveled safely. You are here now. Thanks very much.